What is up, weekenders? It is day 3 out here at SEMA. My day 1 video is already out, so go check that out. Yesterday, just walked around, did a bunch of build breakdowns, so look forward to seeing that here soon. But today, we're just gonna walk around the show, have a little bit of fun. I'm here with my buddy Brandon and Jordan from Carpool Lane, but I'm excited. Let's go check out SEMA and have a little bit of fun. Here in the tool section, I actually didn't come here on my first day. If you watch my first day video, I completely skipped this section, but I'm kind of regretting that I did because it's kind of cool up here. They got like semi trucks, welding stuff over here. I mean, all sorts of random stuff. So actually, my Bronco was almost supposed to be in SEMA, and it was actually supposed to be on this lift, but they needed a 2-door just for purposes of the lift being a little bit short, but still really cool. That's actually a buddy of mine's Bronco, so shout out to him, sweet looking Bronco. So if you guys don't know about me, I'm actually a fabricator in the Air Force, so a lot of these tools are pretty cool to me, especially like this plasma table that they actually have running here at the show. Pretty cool stuff. Another sweet color matched Raptor. I feel like that's the thing to do nowadays. Just like color match them. Yeah. Harbor Freight off-road jack. I have one of those. They have some nice winches too. And I know they actually just came out with this new trailer. I think it comes in about $1,000. Yeah, $1,000. Super nice modular trailer. You can take off the side rails and all that. Pretty cool. I think that's going to be a sweet trailer for a lot of people. Is this your kind of toolbox right here, Kish?
Absolutely.
The purple one?
Yeah. And the purple jack too.
Yeah. Oh, they got a purple jack?
Yeah, it's right there, bro.
Oh, dude, that thing is sweet.
Yeah. Oh, yours is
2024 Mustang. This wrap is super cool. It's like a maroon matte color. These new Mustangs look really good. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm an off-road guy, but this thing looks super good. Oh, dude, it's got like an open cab. Yeah. Dude, that thing is sick.
so much leg room.
Yeah. I don't know, that cage looks kind of close to your head though, I'm not gonna lie. AC Fab Oscars Bronco. This thing is super cool, wide body. I believe he's got 38s, long travel, and a cool wrap on it. Sweet Bronco, cool guy, check him out. He does a bunch of cool stuff with that thing. This also actually might be one of my most favorite Broncos here, just because it's antimatter blue, just like my Bronco. Wide body kits, Baja long travel. Yeah, it's got a long travel Baja kit on it. Super cool Bronco. I don't know, I kind of like that body kit. Should I do a body kit on my Bronco? That one looks pretty good. The wide body does look really good on this. I actually really like the carbon fiber hood, like that vent hood. Oh, it's functional too. Yeah, this looks pretty cool. Baja kit's long travel. Wheels are a little big for my taste, but yeah.
Super easy. Sound warning. All right, 3, 2, 1. That was awesome.
It's like a grenade going off, man. Dude, that was crazy. Hot Wheels. This has got to be one of the coolest Jeeps here, that's for sure. I don't even know what it is. They're calling it the Jeepster. Crazy build. Yeah, whatever this thing is, I'm not a Jeep guy, so I don't really know, but that thing is super cool. Along with a lot of these other builds, like that little mini truck over there, that's got to be like one of my favorites. This thing is absolutely epic. Look at this thing. Oh my God. Oh, even the interior is super cool. I love the aluminum siding. It looks like a full-on truck from the rear, but it's a car from up front. It's a car V.
Through and shored up everything underneath.
Yeah, this thing actually looks comfortable. Okay.
Fixed up, made sure I went through the brakes, went through everything that needed to be done.
Dude, this thing is so rad. Coming up here on the Ford booth, got a bunch of cool stuff. Like these new Rally Mach-E's, super cool. This one's obviously been used recently. It's all dirty. I think my favorite has got to be like this lifted wide body one. Super cool. And it's also got a winch on the inside, which is pretty rad. This thing is definitely set up to go have some fun out in the desert. I think that would be fun for like a little rally experience. I don't know what you'd need the winch for, but I don't know, maybe you could try to go like rock crawling with it. They also have this super cool electric van. I'm pretty sure it's electric that they're using for racing, which is also really cool. Out here at the Camberg booth with their Bronco. It looks like they have a new long travel kit for themselves, and it has like a slapper bump, which is pretty cool. It's a pretty good setup. I don't know how wide this is. It doesn't look as wide as some of the other ones. I'm wondering if it's like a 3-inch kit, but it looks really good nonetheless. Sweet Bronco, and looks like a sweet suspension setup. So we got the DR Bronco here. This thing is absolutely nuts. This is actually the first time I've seen one in person, and holy cow, this thing is crazy. So if you don't know what this is, it's pretty much a factory race Bronco from Ford that you can buy just like this, and obviously they've customized a little bit with what appears to be wraps and wheels and such, but this thing is unbelievably cool. It's like a race truck, pretty much ready to go, and this is so cool. I cannot wait to start seeing these out on the racetrack this year. We're tired of walking around inside of the event, so we're gonna go outside and enjoy some of the action that's out here. It's a little bit more fun out here, so let's go find some fun stuff. RTR Bronco here, and there's one thing that I just noticed. They have an RTR roof rack for the soft tops, which is kind of cool. It looks good. It fits super tight to the soft top, almost too tight it seems maybe, but it looks pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, it does look heavy, and I do like that they're using the accessory mounts up top, and they're putting a support down here. It's always kind of worried me to put a lot of weight just on the top of the windshield, so to have that extra support is kind of cool. And yeah, I'm curious when this is going to come out and how much it's going to cost, but it looks pretty good for a soft top roof rack. 6-door Bronco, so you can bring all your friends out on the trail with you. Man, this thing is nuts. It actually looks really good too. You can tell they did a good job putting the seams together. It does have like the 2 rear doors, it kind of looks like going on there. It looks really cool. I mean, it's got a wide body kit and stuff, but I mean, obviously it's not going to do very well off-road, but I mean, for a cool thing to drive around, I mean, it looks pretty cool. Get all the friends in it, and yeah, it's kind of neat. And all right, guys, that's gonna do it for SEMA for me. It's day 3. We just walked around, showed off a bunch of random stuff, so I don't really know how this video is going to turn out. I hope it was fun, and I hope you guys enjoyed it nonetheless. Be sure to follow my Instagram so you can see more behind the scenes. I'm posting a bunch of stuff on my stories throughout SEMA. But with that being said, guys, leave a comment, like, and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you guys at SEMA next year.